Hello, my name is Sam. In today's video, I'm going to teach you another practice of clause connector. Before I start to teach you this practice, and I would like to ask you a question. Have you watched my video about clause connector yet? If you have, can you tell me how many clause connector there are in English? You remember that? If you had not watched it, you could watch it in order that you can understand some about clause connector and start our practice today. Well, there are three clause connectors. What are they? Subordinator or subordinating conjunction, coordinator or coordinating conjunctions, and conjunctive adverb. About conjunctive adverb, do you remember one acronym? Hot, short, cat. Hot, short, cat. So hot, short, cat, we can remember 10 conjunctive adverb. Okay. And today, you are going to learn how to use clause connector in a sentence. Alright. So let's go with me there. Practice. Clause connector. Combine the following pairs of sentences by using an appropriate conjunctive adverb. Coordinating conjunction or coordinator is not included in this. Subordinator is excluded. This one we need only conjunctive adverb. But conjunctive adverb you have to take a look at the meaning as well. Anyway, these three pairs of sentences are from simple sentence, but these three pairs of simple sentences are combined into compound sentence. But in this compound sentence, we need only conjunctive adverb. Alright, look at the example. I have listened long enough to your excuses. One simple sentence. I'm tired of your lack of originality. So these two simple sentences are combined into one compound sentence by using an appropriate conjunctive adverb. Let's go. So which conjunctive adverb should be used in this sentence to make sure that the meaning is understood? I have, or we can make like this. I have listened long enough to your excuses. The meaning of the first sentence and the second is contrary. Then we can use one conjunctive adverb is called however. However, I'm tired of your lack of originality. Okay. In fact, when we use but in this sentence, it's okay, but for this sentence, we need only conjunctive adverb. But it's not conjunctive adverb, but it's coordinating conjunction. See, however, here is its meaning is the same as but. Some material, number two, some material are more expensive than others. Wool and linen are often quite cozy. For conjunctive adverb here, we can use, you can use many forms. Full stop and after that conjunctive adverb, comma. But this one I don't want to use full stop and comma, but I want to use semicolon and comma, so I can write. The first sentence and the second one is something like we have another meaning. It's not however. Yeah. So please, some material are more expensive than other I want to use semicolon. The meaning here, for example, it is conjunctive adverbs as well. For example, wool change to lower case letter, and linen are often quite costly. Quite costly. Here, conjunctive adverb. Here, conjunctive adverb. One more. Janet has a beautiful voice. She is often asked to sing at wedding. Then, the first and the second sentence, the meaning is not contrary, but the meaning is like something in addition. So we can say Janet has a beautiful voice. What is it? Therefore, I use the first one. Therefore, she is often to sing at wedding. Okay, here is a conjunctive adverb. Again, the first sentence is I have listened long enough to your excuses. I'm tired of your lack of originality. The first sentence and the second sentence are contrary. That's why we use conjunctive adverb however. Number 2, some materials are more expensive than others. Wool and linen are often quite costly. The first and the second sentence kind of give example in order to support the first sentence. That's why we use for example. Janet has a beautiful voice. She is often asked to sing at a wedding. So in this sentence, Janet has a beautiful voice. Therefore is conjunctive adverb that can be used in here because the second sentence is part of the result. The result of the first sentence. That's why therefore is preferred for this sentence making. And one more thing I really want to tell you that for our conjunctive adverb we have one acronym. Do you remember that? Hot, short, cat. This acronym can help us to remember for 10 conjunctive adverbs. H for however, O for otherwise, T for therefore, S for similarly, H for hence, O for on the other hand, T for thus, C for consequently, A for and T is for then. Does it make sense, everyone? After watching my explanation here, if you do not understand any point, please write your question. I'll try my best to reply to all of your questions. Anyway, we come to the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching my video. But don't forget to watch more and more video. I try to make more and more video for you guys. If you miss one video, you might find it difficult to understand. Okay, see you later. Bye bye.